Hello. During this lockdown, I've decided to revamp my studio, so I thought I'd give you a quick guided tour. Here in one corner, I have all my materials to make glazes. On the top shelf, I have all the oxides and colouring materials. Next down are the various sulfides and colouring stains, then all the various chemicals because I make up most of my own glazes, and they go across to here. Nice big heater because it gets cold in the winter. In the cupboard I have all the various things that we need to build a kiln. Good stereo because you have to have something going on in the background. Across to my sturdy Rhoda kiln, which after almost 20 years of firing is still in remarkably good condition, which is a lot more than can be said for the shelves, which are starting to show the worse for wear. If anybody wonders, the brown on the outside was because I was too keen on the first firing and didn't take the plastic off. I don't do that at home. Now, on the left we have a movable shelf with lighting. All my tools come out. So that's all my throwing tools, turning tools, hand-built calipers, all the normal stuff that we have. Wooden bats on the bottom. Then we come across to what was a Shimpo, or still is a Shimpo, but is now on wheels and has my own customized worktop, and of course the stool to sit on. Wedging bench, although I don't actually do a lot of wedging. Bags of clay, the bags of porcelain that I use come from a pug mill, so they're already quite needed, and not much more needs to be done. Across the sink, and then across to all the various, at the top is coloured slips, then various coloured glazes and the various textured glazes, crawling, volcanic, etc., and the bigger pots of transparents, etc., at the bottom. And because all the tips are still closed, lots of piles of rubbish. And that, as they say, is me. Oh, I should have mentioned the compressor in the corner because I spray a percentage of my glazes. And over by the sink are some of my spray guns. I hope that was a bit of interest to somebody. If not, I've just wasted 3 minutes of my time. Thank you.